In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint Online in just about 5 minutes. In the digital era, presentations have become a cornerstone of both the academic and professional worlds. Whether you're a student presenting a project or a professional sharing your business insights, PowerPoint has been the go-to software for decades. Now, with the convenience of cloud-based computing, Microsoft has made it possible for us to use PowerPoint Online through Microsoft Office 365. This allows you to create, edit, and share your presentations from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Firstly, let's navigate to Microsoft Office 365. You can do this easily by entering the URL www.microsoft365.com into your web browser's address bar. This will take you to the home page of Microsoft 365, where all of Microsoft's Office tools and services are available for use online. The design of the website is pretty straightforward, steering you gently towards various Microsoft products and services, including PowerPoint Online. Once you've arrived at the Microsoft 365 homepage, the next step is to access your account by clicking on the Sign In button. You'll find this button prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your credentials. This process is designed to be as seamless as possible, ensuring you have quick access to all the productivity tools offered, including PowerPoint. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be required to enter your login details. This includes a code, often your email, and a password. If it's your first time or you're using a new device, Microsoft might send a verification code to your email or phone number linked with your account to ensure it's really you. This is a security measure to protect your personal and professional data. Input the necessary details when prompted. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, ensuring you're not locked out of your account. Microsoft's user authentication process is designed to be secure yet user-friendly, so even if you encounter this step, it should be a straightforward process to regain access. Now that you're signed in, you're ready for the exciting part, using PowerPoint Online. Look for the PowerPoint icon in the side panel. This is usually located among other Microsoft Office tools such as Word, Excel, and OneNote. The side panel is designed for easy navigation, allowing you to switch between applications with ease. Clicking on the PowerPoint icon will take you directly into the online version of the software. Here's where the creativity begins. PowerPoint Online offers most of the functionality found in the desktop version. You can start a new presentation from scratch, use a template, or open an existing file stored in the cloud. The interface is intuitive, with tools and options laid out in a ribbon at the top, just like the desktop version you might already be familiar with. One of the great advantages of using PowerPoint Online is the ability to work from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or sipping a coffee at your favorite cafe, as long as you have internet access, your presentations are at your fingertips. Furthermore, PowerPoint Online facilitates collaboration. You can share your presentations with colleagues or classmates, and even work on them together in real time. This collaboration feature is a game changer, enhancing productivity and allowing for seamless teamwork. In summary, PowerPoint Online is an incredible tool for anyone looking to create visually appealing presentations. By simply visiting Microsoft 365, signing in, and navigating to PowerPoint on the side panel, you've unlocked access to a powerful, flexible presentation tool that meets the needs of today's online interconnected lifestyle. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use PowerPoint Online, the more proficient you'll become. So go ahead, give it a try, and start bringing your ideas to life with engaging, impactful presentations. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on how to use PowerPoint Online. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made you more comfortable with navigating and using Microsoft Office 365's online suite. Keep exploring, creating, and sharing your stories and ideas with the world. Happy presenting!